Did you know that 90% of the world's data has been created in just the last 2 years? Now that's a huge amount of information. This explosion of data has given rise to the role of the AI product manager. Today, we'll talk about how AI product managers use all this data and AI technology to solve real-world problems. Let's dive in. Now, data is like a GPS. It helps product managers see ahead and helps guide their way. Instead of waiting around for problems to pop up and only then fixing them, they use data right from the beginning to predict and solve issues before they can even happen. This proactive approach is a game changer for product development. And this is where the role of AI product managers comes in. Their job is to spot problems and ask, can AI help make better products? Plus, they make sure they've got the right data to make it work. This is a new and exciting role that didn't exist before the data explosion. So, why is their job so exciting now? Let's break it down into 3 main reasons. The first reason is that with AI, they're not just selling products anymore. They're making the product smarter and more useful. It's like the product managers are the drivers, steering the product in the right direction with all that data. The second reason is that AI product managers need to understand both business and tech. It's like being a translator between 2 worlds. Their job is to help tech teams see things from the customer's perspective. This means bringing in customer feedback to the tech teams to make products that actually meet the customer's needs. They also take complex technical ideas and explain them in a way that makes sense to non-technical stakeholders. By connecting these dots, AI product managers ensure that the products they build are not only innovative but also user-friendly and practical. And third, pitching AI projects is not easy. They take time to grow, just like a plant. But hey, patience pays off, right? This challenge just makes their work more rewarding as they can see their efforts pay off over time. Let's not forget the hunt for data. It's like piecing together a puzzle. AI product managers need to identify where the pieces are scattered across the organization and figure out how to bring them together to form a complete picture. And last but not least, AI product managers have got to know their stuff. It's like being a chef. You've got to know who's chopping onions and who's stirring the pot. Understanding how AI works as a whole is key for AI product manager. And there you have it, AI product management made simple. It's about using data to solve problems, being the bridge between business and tech, and keeping the AI train on track. Thanks to the data explosion and rising demands, we have this exciting role that's ready to change the world, one smart solution at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who you think will find it helpful too. For more in-depth insights, check out the masterclass on the data science and ML workflow and the role of product managers by Mamta Narayan, the Director of Tech Innovation at Nike.